Hey, this is Deepak here, and welcome to another lesson in your 100-day blogging course. So I just wanted to create this particular video lesson as a bonus video to show you how you can go ahead and get a domain name and WordPress hosting from GoDaddy. So GoDaddy gives one of the best offers right now, and if you want to grab a domain name and as well as WordPress hosting, you can definitely go ahead for this plan. The support from GoDaddy is not that great, but if you are just getting started and just experimenting with blogging, then this is one of the cheapest ways to go about it. So go to GoDaddy, click on the banner below this video or the link above this video, and you would go to this page. If you don't go to this page, then you can check hosting, and inside hosting, click on WordPress hosting. So this offer is probably a temporary offer. The regular monthly cost is around 449 rupees per month, but right now they are giving it away for 99 per month. So here you can go ahead and click on configure in the basic plan. So basic plan should be more than enough for a beginner blogger. Then you can click on continue. So here you are also going to get a free domain name. So if you are just experimenting with an extra blog, you can always get a new domain name from here. So I would just go ahead and check for, let's say, indiabeam.com. So if the domain name is available, then you can go ahead, select and continue. And the basic managed WordPress website, you can go ahead and take it for 12 months. So the .com registration, you can select it for 1 year. By default, it will show 2 years. So first year, the domain name is free. So what you will end up paying is 1188 rupees plus taxes, which would come to 1380 rupees. And you are saving around 5700 rupees on this. So for 1380 rupees, you are getting a brand new domain name and you are getting 12 months WordPress hosting. So now you can go ahead and sign in into your account or register for a new account. And this is usually an offer given only for new accounts. So if you are already having a GoDaddy account, go and open a new private window on Chrome or Firefox, and then try to create a new email ID and try to register with a new email ID. And most of the time it just passes through. So once you go ahead and purchase this, so they accept Indian bank accounts, debit cards, as well as payment methods. Once you are done with this process, then we can go ahead, log in into GoDaddy and see how we can go ahead and install WordPress with GoDaddy WordPress hosting. So that we will see in the next video on the same lesson.